Hey guys, just jumping on here, do a little comparison on my 2009 Suzuki King Quads. Got two of them I recently purchased. The red one I've already replaced with some LED headlights. It's kind of bright in my shop, but I'm going to go ahead and turn them on and show you the difference. So right there's the factory halogen lights. You can see they're a lot yellower. And then I'll turn on the LED. So you can see even by the camera it doesn't really want to focus as much. I'll do a comparison at night time just to show you guys the difference, but I'm going to go ahead and install both sets in the original, and I'll try to show you some before and afters. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the product I'm going to install today. It's a Auxito LED light. If you have a King Quad as well, you're going to want to use the H4. I just picked these up off Amazon, but so far they've got good reviews. And yeah, let's go ahead and open her up and I'll show you guys how to install them. It only takes a couple minutes to do both sides, and bear with me, I'll get you set up on the tripod. So right here, this is the dust cover, one of two. So you just pull that right off, it just pops off. Second dust cover is a little trickier to get off. Let me switch hands here. Just peels back. It's easier with two hands, but bringing you guys along, so there we go, it's coming off. So you just want to tuck it away, try not to tug on the wires too hard. If you guys get in close, you can see there's a little spring clip in here. You just pinch that down and pull it back. Up top. Takes a little messing around. There we go. Spring clip comes all the way back. And the light bulb just pulls out backwards. So that's the halogen one. I'll try to hold you guys up. Just wiggles out. Okay. So there they are, direct fit. You can see the little prongs on them. Here's the before and after one, halogen versus the LED. And then you just slide them in. And it's a lot easier with two hands, but I'm just doing this for one-handed for you guys so you can come along. They only fit in one way. This little spring rotating clip back over. Slide it down. Grab the other dust cover and wiring harness. Push it on snug. Put that one on there. Take your secondary dust cover. Goes over the whole thing. Just keeps all the dust and grime out. There we go. There we go. Just like that. First one's already installed. You can see how much brighter it is. So for the other side, it's the exact same process, but in reverse. Or sorry, not in reverse. It's the exact same process, just on the other side. I'm just gonna pause you guys, and I'll switch the light over so you can see. There you go. Set you guys up on a tripod. Hopefully, goes a little smoother. Again, first dust cover off, just set it aside. basically just want to peel it off. Dust and grime sit in there. Just pull it out of the way. And pull your wires out. This side you can just see the little spring clip right here. Push under. Clear it away. Slides out. Grab the new one. Even install it ahead of time. I did the other side. I put it in first, but let's see which side's easier. There we go. Hopefully I've kept my hands and arms out of the way as best I can. Okay, first dust cover on. Just peel the second one on. There we go. And that's number 2. Post another video shortly of replacing the auxiliary light there on the handlebars. These do come in a 2-pack, so thankfully I've got 2 King Quads. All right.